I wanted to go over some of the differences the USA and UK will have with other parts of the world. The USA and UK use a period when writing decimals, and many other places use a comma. As for which one I would emphasize, well, it depends really on you, the individual. If I was doing a tutoring session with you and you were doing commas instead of periods, that's okay too. I have no problem with that. The other topic I wanted to address is the use of the ones place and units place. In the US, we say ones place to identify the place value, while many other places say the units place. As with the period or comma I talked about earlier, I'm okay with both. If you would like to hear more on these types of differences, please watch my previous video titled USA versus UK Spelling. I will leave a link in the description down below.